Hey guys, HavasuLew out in beautiful Lake Havasu. Hoping you're having a great day so far. Hey, we're on our way to check out a newly reduced 4-bedroom pool home. Hang out with us and check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. All right, guys, we're out here at 330 Cypress Drive. This one was just reduced to $1,099,000. Been on the market for 40 days as of today. It sits right across the street to Cypress Park. Very nice, newer park in Lake Havasu. Nice little street, centrally located. The lot next door is also for sale, I believe. A pretty cool little lake shot down the street of the tip of Thompson Bay on the island there, so you could actually see the fireworks. So we had a little storm come through Havasu last night, so there's some debris and water and gravel around. This one is a total remodel though, so let's go check it out and see what they've done. Did some nice little stonework in the front. I guess they are still doing a few little last minute touch up, clean up type things, but let's go see what it looks like. All right, guys, this is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath pool home built in 1984, 3,676 square feet. Sits on a big, almost 15,000 square foot lot with the lot next door also available. They're doing a complete remodel on this. This is a very unique home so far that I've seen. Can lights, wood beam ceilings. They've pretty much done everything. So let's check out the kitchen first. You have 2 sliders out to the patio. Of course, can lights everywhere. Huge open kitchen. Big kitchen island with quartz tops, stacked stone on the front. So they're just wrapping up some odds and ends. Got a cool kitchen though with a little beer fridge, wine rack, cool backsplash tiles. All the appliances are new, Bosch. They did the soft touch close on all the cabinets. Big sink. Double oven. All right, let's wander around and see what we can find. So they have the attached 2-car garage off the kitchen here. Go check that out in a minute. Have this really cool wooden banister with these metal deals in them. Very, very cool. Looks like a wood burning fireplace. So we're just gonna keep walking and see what we find. We go down the stairs again, and there's like another bonus room type setup down here. Super unique, has a big old fireplace, has integrated speakers. This house does show as having propane, so we'll have to figure out what that's about. Might just be for the spa. You have this little wet bar over here. Looks like they just put it in. Still need to put the lights in. A little wooden door that goes under the stair for storage. So you have a little sauna set up in here with a wood door. Pretty big size. Next door to the sauna, you also have a big old wine room. Little wine cellar action. Pretty cool. Has a leather granite tops and nice cabinets. Got 2 sliders out to the backyard pool area we'll go check out. So you have another like casita setup. Has a little kitchen in here. Even has a stove. And another slider out to the pool area. Can lights, wood beam ceilings. So I thought this was a closet, but it's actually a built-in Murphy bed. All right, let's go back upstairs and see what's up there. Got a little guest bath down here. Has a shower, tiled shower. All right, we're back up at the entry. Gonna roll down this hall and see what we run into. So you have a guest bathroom, real nice quartz tops. Has a skylight, can lights. So you have like a little closet with no doors. You have a bedroom, front of the house. Kind of your standard setup, the dual mirrored slider closet doors. So you have another bedroom at the front of the house. Pretty much the same setup. So you have a double-door master at the end of the hall at the rear of the house. Kind of interesting. So you have this like little alcove sitting area, views of the pool. So you have a slider out to this little deck, and there's a spiral staircase that takes you down to the pool area. Got a big, nice master bath. Quartz counters, dual sinks. Big old soaker tub. And just a wide open shower. I don't know if there's glass doors going on it or what, but it's got 2 rain heads. And there's also an outdoor atrium type shower with a slider. Kind of cool, a little unique. Definitely like the colors. Ooh, fancy bathroom. You have a really nice view from the master deck up here. This does back to a wash, so there's neighbors that are pretty far away at the back here. You have your master walk-in closet. I notice there's no shelves or, hanger rods in any of the closets. All right, so we're back over off the kitchen, and you have a laundry room. This is a big laundry room. Also would be where your soft water loop goes, and door to the side yard right there. You have your standard 2-car garage, 21 feet deep, standard 7-foot door. Still looks like a work in progress. Side access to the back side yard. So you have a couple sliders off the kitchen. Nice big deck with 2 ceiling fans. It's kind of a glass slat rail system up here. Nice view of the pool and spa, backyard. There's also like a workshop garage down there we're gonna go check out right now. Looks like there's still some good opportunity to do some nice landscaping back here. All right, we're coming out one of the sliders downstairs, checking out the back patio in the pool area. That'll access up to the side of the house up here. Not sure what this used to be. It looks like there's a little fire pit, maybe a seating area or something. Little recessed fire pit seating area. Kind of interesting. So again, there's some room for landscaping improvements. Nice big gunite pool. A little dirty from the storm last night. I don't see any chipping, popping, or cracking, anything like that. Looks like it's in pretty good condition. Have all your pool equipment over here. So there is a propane tank, and it's probably just used for the spa. So they're using the roof of this little workshop as a deck, which is cool because it's got a pretty good lake shot down the wash. Here's your little spiral staircase off the master. It's got LED lights up there. So, you know, they're doing stuff. They're just kind of trying to finish it. Let's go down here and see what's up. If I fall through the roof, actually it seems super solid, like it's concrete. So yeah, cool little lake shot off the wash. Stairs down to the very back lower level where the workshop is. There's no vehicle access down here, so it's just like a wide open space, and you can basically do the exact same thing with the lot next door. If somebody were to purchase both setups, it could be something nice. There's a lot of space down here. If you wanted to get crazy, you could always just use the road right there, hit the wash with your razor, and you're one house away with a rolling gate into this little parking area. So that's a possibility. I'm not really sure what kind of plans they had for this little setup back here. I'd be curious to know. Got a couple broken windows. Looks like they just finished doing a bunch of stucco work. So it's a pretty big shop. Concrete floor, it's all slump block construction. Looks like they did like a gunite type concrete ceiling. So they don't have dimensions in here, but it's pretty big. Power, looks like 30 or 50 amp. All right, guys, HavasuLew back again with you. Hope you enjoyed the quick little video walk through the house over here on Cypress Drive. Again, this one was just reduced to $1,099,000. I will put a direct link to the listing detail page right below this video so you guys can get all the latest price, pictures, current availability. Of course, if you guys have any questions at all, always feel free to reach out to me. All my contact information is right below this video. You guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.